If your squares are starting to, by doing this, you're starting to see that you're bowing, or it's starting to go to that side, or there's reasons for it. It's not because you messed up. It's not because you're a terrible crocheter. Actually, if you're losing stitches and it's going to a thing, it just means that you lost a stitch somewhere. If you haven't done that, then you're not crocheting. It usually means you missed the very last stitch at the row, or you forgot a turning chain. Really. Embrace it. Embrace your triangle. You're doing awesome. This is beautiful, right? If it's starting to look like that, great. You are participating in an ancient art of crocheting, and you're new, and it's great. I mean, you're doing wonderful, actually. It's beautiful.